Once in the cab and the driver has started the meter, click on the icon on the top left. Ask the driver for their driver ID, and input it into the driver ID field. Select the cab from the menu. Your driver will get a code. Enter it into the text field. Select Pair now. Enter your destination and make sure the payment option is set to your account. Select Pay Now. Enjoy the beautiful scenery. You will get a confirmation when your trip is complete. Have the driver start the meter. After the customer pairs their app to the car, give them the code that pops up in the window. The job will now appear on the tablet and you will get a pop-up updating your information. You'll also receive an update showing the pair and pay process completed. Finish the fare and click Submit at the end. Congratulations, you have successfully completed the pair and pay process.